Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let me teach you on how to deposit Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet. First, open Tonkeeper wallet on your device and then log into your account. Next, simply tap buy and sell option right here. Then make sure that you select buy at the top part. Now simply select what merchant that you want from the options right here, like Mercario, MoonPay, Transact, and other merchants. When you tap on the merchant, you'll be redirected to the official website where you'll make the transaction. Let's do an example with Mercario. Tap on Mercario button. In this window, simply enter the amount you wish to pay. For example, we will enter 200 USD and we'll get 39 Toncoin. Once you're ready, then simply click the buy button below. Next, complete your order by selecting what payment method you want to use. It's either your credit card, debit card, or other payment method available. Once done, click the buy button below and finalize your transaction and follow the steps that will show up. Now, if you have a Toncoin on your other wallet like the BitGet wallet and you wish to transfer it to Tonkeeper, then do this. Open your BitGet wallet on your device, tap on Assets tab in the lower right corner, tap Spot option above. Next, tap Withdraw button and simply search for the Toncoin using the search bar above. Next, tap the Toncoin and select Withdrawal Type from the pop-up menu. For now, let's select On-Chain Withdrawal. Next, in the withdrawal network, make sure that the Ton is selected. After that, copy the withdrawal address from your Tonkeeper wallet. Open the Tonkeeper, then simply tap the Receive button. You see here your wallet address. Tap the Copy button to copy it to your clipboard. Once done, go back to your BitGet wallet, then paste the copied address in the withdrawal address. You can skip the tag if you want. Now enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. Note that the minimum amount is zero point 0.8. Once you're done, tap on the withdraw button and finalize your transaction by checking if all the information is correct. When you're ready, click the confirm button below. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.